So in Sci 108, we process a crime scene, which means we record it by taking notes, photos, sketches. Students then pick up and collect the evidence, and they learn all the proper protocols all along the way. We then learn about a lot of different types of evidence: fingerprinting, trace evidence like hairs and fibers, blood typing, DNA, all sorts of evidence. And they use that knowledge to analyze the evidence they collected at the crime scene early in the semester, and then they communicate all their results after they've analyzed everything in the crime scene. And I think Parkland forensic students in particular get some really neat opportunities to use some analytical instruments that are often only available to upper-level chemistry students, for example, and they get experience in a wide variety of forensic evidence. And I think our students leave Parkland really having a good foundation for what forensic science entails.
Two of the last labs that they do in this course, the Forensic Science 2 course, to the best of my knowledge, we are the only college in the nation that does them, whether it's 2-year college, 4-year college, whatever. We do an analysis of burned human remains. Now, at most other colleges, that is done with pig carcasses or deer carcasses that have been through a fire. We had in the past an arrangement with one of the crematoriums in town, and we had them set up the bodies, which are old cadavers from our anatomy lab. We had them cremate the bodies such that they would look like real bodies coming out of a house fire. The other one that we do is, again, taking one of the cadavers that would have been used for the anatomy class. We kind of borrowed that and we put some evidence on it. It has some bruises, it has some lacerations, it has some other wounds and whatnot. And so basically we have the students do the beginning portion of an autopsy on a real human body. And again, to the best of my knowledge, that is something that is not done at any other college in the nation.